Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another demo. So in this video, I'm going to demo this really cool origami model designed by Jeremy Shafer. This is actually one of the coolest models he made, in my opinion. Check it out. It is the impossible triangle. And check it out. See? And here's what it looks like. Yep. So I got my camera in the right position. Yep. And there's the impossible triangle, just like that. And yeah, and I think it's a really awesome model. It's a really cool optical illusion. And yeah. Get it right here. There you go. That's the best that I can do. And yep. And here's this tutorial to learn how to fold it. And yep. And that's pretty much it. And it's modular too. I used multiple sheets of paper to make the bars. And yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this demo. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.